Welcome students, this is your science teacher Anirban Bosha. Today we would have a recap on the chapter Nutrition in Animals. Animals follow heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Animals follow heterotrophic mode of nutrition, that is, they directly or indirectly depend on others for their own food. Hetero means others and trophos means nourishment. So they get their nourishment from others. Animal nutrition involves nutrient requirement, mode of its intake, and its utilization in the body. So students, the animal nutrition involves 5 basic steps. What are those 5 basic steps? First is ingestion, second digestion, then absorption, so ingestion, digestion, absorption. Fourth is assimilation, and the last is egestion. So these are the 5 basic steps of nutrition. Different animals have different methods of taking in food, like scraping, swallowing, capturing, and many different methods. The digestive system of humans comprises of the alimentary canal or the digestive tract and the associated glands. So the digestive system of humans comprises of the alimentary canal and the associated glands. So let us know the different parts of the alimentary canal and the associated glands one by one. The first part is the mouth and the buccal cavity. So this is the site of ingestion. Yes, this is the site of ingestion, and ingestion is the process of intake of food into the body through the mouth. Second comes the esophagus or the food pipe. Here what happens? Here peristalsis occurs, with the help of which food moves down from the mouth to the stomach. Peristalsis occurs in esophagus or the food pipe. Next comes the stomach, where digestion of protein occurs. Then small intestine, which is the site of absorption and assimilation, as well as complete digestion of food occurs in small intestine. Next comes the large intestine, which ends in rectum, and finally the anus, through which egestion occurs. Students, now how does digestion occurs in grass-eating animals? The grass is rich in a carbohydrate called cellulose. Animals like cattle, deer, etc. have bacteria present in the rumen, which is a part of their stomach. These bacteria help in digesting cellulose by the process called rumination. And the animals which follow rumination are known as ruminants. In single-celled microscopic organism, that is amoeba, which doesn't have a mouth or a specialized digestive system, in this case, how does digestion of food occurs, or how does feeding occurs? So they have finger-like projections called pseudopodia, or the false feet. It helps in the movement and capture of food. The food particle is trapped in the food vacuole, where it is being digested with the help of the digestive juices. Thank you, students.